Guess the clothing items. There are 30 clothing items for you to identify. To guess each clothing item, you will be given 5 seconds. Let's get started. Guess the cloth. Jeans. Guess the cloth. Cap. Guess the cloth. Trouser. Guess the cloth. Sweater. Guess the cloth. Shirt. Guess the cloth. Shorts. Guess the cloth. T-shirt. Guess the cloth. Socks. Guess the cloth. Coat. Guess the cloth. Pajamas. Guess the cloth. Tie. Guess the cloth. Glove. Guess the cloth. Dress. Guess the cloth. Scarf. Guess the cloth. Raincoat. Guess the cloth. Raincoat. Jacket. Guess the cloth. Vest. Guess the cloth. Skirt. Guess the cloth. Underwear. Guess the cloth. Mini skirt. Guess the cloth. Hoodie. Guess the cloth. Suit. Guess the cloth. Mitten. Guess the cloth. Blouse. Guess the cloth. Cardigan. Guess the cloth. Leggings. Guess the cloth. Sweatpants. Guess the cloth. Tank top. Guess the cloth. Pea coat. Guess the cloth. Bell bottoms. How many of them did you guess right? Let us know in the comments section.